Hi, my name is Guillaume Jallery, founder and CEO of our company. Today, we are proud to present you the first O mini server prototype. What is O mini server? O mini server was invented to manage and store your data. The goal of a mini server is to decentralize all your data out of the cloud. With this, you will have always your data on your wrist and everything will be erased on the cloud. That way, you will own your data and you will control your data. So, here what you see, we've invented and created two prototypes. One with a bigger screen and another one with a small format. For demo purposes and to be able for you to see all the interaction of the O mini server, we are going to work strictly and directly with a bigger screen. So there, we're going to move and reduce it. The actual clear box where we have the same data that we're going to be at the end. We already integrated, that way you see how everything's done. But for the demo purposes, we're going to show you the power of O mini server. At the end of that, you will understand more why the O mini server was created, because we truly believe that privacy should be yours, that you should own your data, and that nobody, Fortune 500, organization worldwide, hackers, or anybody else should sneak into your data. Again, I wanted to repeat with you, this is a product and a computing device where you will keep always your data with you, disconnected at all time and unreachable at all time. So let's come with me and I will show you right now how it works with a tablet, a laptop, and two phones for you to understand more what it's all about. So at first, we have those three devices where we're going to use the platform. So first, I will take the tablet. And the first thing that O mini server does is we need to connect all your devices in the O mini server. That's the most important thing. So as you can see, we have here data. This is our contact and it's straight into the cloud. We have Darth Vader because we have good friends at our team. We love our people. And we have very good connection with a lot of people. So we have Count the Money, we always have frequent contact with Frank Drebin, and many other Holy Grail, and many other contacts that we like to talk about. All those contacts that you can see, we have received emails from them. We have Kevin Minions, of course we love the Minions. We have Jean-Baptiste Emmanuel Zorg, which is a very important person. And we have a series of emails that was sent Ricky Bobby and other Dark Helmet and other people that we have emailed them because we wanted to discuss with them and exchange. So all that are emails that be sent. And of course, the latest we have through some messaging that you can see, and we wanted to add photos inside the phone where we have Josie, which is our mascot, Josie and Gia. We have football players, Real Madrid, Manchester City, Paris, San Francisco, and one of our planes, SR-71. And of course, all those pictures are on the phone. So the O mini server has multiple functionality and we're going to go straight directly deep dive into it. So first, we are going to take the phone and we are going to connect it with the O mini server. And we're going to do the same with all of them. What we want to do in this particular thing, we want to abstract all our data, we want to erase it, and we want to send it inside the O mini server to be able to totally black out. We want that nobody else, Fortune 500, that monetize our data. Don't forget, your data are yours. Don't forget that today's privacy is yours. So let's go for it. Let's go for the first functionality, which is total control. So first, we're going to launch our menu, get access into here. and we're gonna ask the Omni server to find, and the phone to find the Omni server. So we click, we search our devices, and here's the list of what we've been found here. We're gonna do the same on our computer. We're gonna search into it, and we're gonna try to find it, the Omni server. As you can see how it goes, the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi are open inside the Omni server. So it connects by Bluetooth all our devices, and we will use the Wi-Fi to be able to send or receive information. Here you have it. We have all our device Bluetooth in our program that have been searching for the device that we have. Now we will go inside the Omni server, and we're gonna take our first action. Go into the device. The Omni server, always the device functionality, centralize all your devices that you connected. It's here where you're gonna be able to see every device that you connected, and you will give tons of other functionality in the future on the development of our product. So here, I want to first connect my phone. So I'm gonna take the program, click into the Omni server, and ask for a digit code. I click right here, I'm going to the iPhone, and the Omni server gonna give me a code that I can insert inside. So we're gonna enter the code, and when it's done, the code is correct. Here, as you can see, the Omni server is connected right here. We're gonna do the same with our laptop. We're gonna check it out into the Omni server, and what we want is to have the right code into it. We're gonna type it, and the laptop will try to find the code. Same aspect with the iPad demo. We want to know exactly the code, and we click the general code to connect all our devices. As you can see, all our devices are connected. We go into the Omni server, and right now, the three buttons that you see here, and we can have under view, shows that all our three devices are connected and accepted by the Omni server. So now, what I want is take off all my data from the Omni server, from the phone. We're gonna change our perspective, and what I want to take back control of my data, because for me it's important that nobody have access to my data. They are mine, my privacy is mine, my data are mine. So I'm gonna go into the start to go on the iPhone demo, and a series of functionality are here to be able to have different types of access or different aspect of mode where I can control my data. First, in the phone, we're gonna use total control. So total control erase data in the phone. So what I want is I want my emails, I want my contacts, I want my calendar out, I want my text messages, and I want some pictures to be in it. So first, I need to configure my email, because of course I have emails into my cloud, but too, I have emails into my phone. So I'm jumping straight here. I'm going to my device. I select the people I want, and I'm gonna insert the exact email where I have my account for the Omni server to go and get the information to it. And I will type my code. Done. I validate it, and this will take the lead. I will go into the email. I want my Apple Cloud. And I will go here. Same aspect. I will configure it. And we'll click into the password. And I have it. I validate it. And here, this is where everything goes on. So now that I've introduced the emails and my code access for the mini server and the application to go and get the information in our servers and into the cloud and into my phone, I am going to configure the rest. So I got a contact. I want them to get out inside my phone. So I want to erase all the trace inside my phone. There is an account mode where I can configure private accounts that I need to get access. And of course, I want the Apple Cloud to be out. So I will go into my iCloud because this is where I have the information. I will do exactly the same on my calendar where as you can see, the configuration in there, but I have some calendars inside my Gmail account. So I'm going to erase it because this is what I want. Text messages. I have a text mode into it. Of course, I need to be able to insert the phone number because when the phone will be inside of it, we will stay inside this platform and get rid of any other stuff. So I just tap the email. As you can see, the phone is already here. I'm doing it done, and then I validate it. Or here, what you can see, every time you type something here, we send all the information into the Omni server. So that's very important to start to have this configuration. And here on the gallery, I want all those ones, I want all those ones to be able to be selected. I'm going to keep going and select them. And then I add them. This is where everything is configured. I have all my data into it and all those pictures are in it. Then this is what I do. When this is done, I press. Here it says that I have to delete 8 photos into it and I delete it. Right now, the Omni server is getting the information. All our applications are erasing the data and we are getting it inside the Omni server. So that's the first functionality of the Omni server. And we will show you inside of it that we have right now, if we get access into our email, all our email are here. As you can see, we have all our emails that came back from the servers. We do, of course, have all our contacts that are right here. Right at the back, we have all our contacts into it. Same aspect with our text. We have all our text messages that are here. But this is the first greatest aspect. So part of the information are right now inside the Omni server. And if we go inside of it and we check and we go directly into the contact, we have them straight directly here. As you can see, all our contacts are being sent inside the Omni server. Count the money is there. All of them are here. We have all our emails that are here, and so on and so on. This is how powerful it is. And of course, if we take it out, and now we go into our contact, all our contact has been erased from the cloud. We have no more contact in it. We go into our email, and suddenly all our email erased. Same aspect with our photos. We go here, all our photos has been erased onto it. Same with the calendar, and so on and so on. So as you can see, the total control, erase your data, brings it again inside the Omni server, and you have a total access to it, and you go on completely erase. Now on, you can disconnect the cloud, and you don't need anymore to use any other information. Now we go into the laptop. So we have our information. What I really want to do is take some information and do a backup. Because it's very often we might have some files into our laptop that we really want to keep it with us. So we can change, modify them, have access to them, but we want to keep them into our laptop, a computer, or any other types of devices that we have. So here is that we have. So I'm going to take, of course, I have some pictures. We love our music. We are very fan of our music. The O team, it's a very music people. We have really integrated tons of lists of music that you're going to be able to see. We want some files into it. And of course, we've created inside a latest application where you can keep all your crypto keys into it and you can take them out from the servers. So this is how it goes. We go into our gallery because we go straight directly into it. And here we have all my files. This is where I want to go. I just need to go into my pictures. As you can see, here they are. We have all our pictures that are here. We just click open and it saves directly into it. Music. We have our list of music that is here. And we really want them inside the mini server because we want to listen to them. Files. Files permit you to keep any types of files that you want. We have some documents in it. We have even the Death Star design, which is pretty cool. And we have some other information. We have our Excel files that we want to have. And we have some movies. We are very movie guys. We love the movies. So we want our movies that way we can carry our movies, we can carry our music. And even if we modify the list into our computer, the backup modes, every time the Omni server connects directly into it, it will automatically synchronize your data. So even if you change any types of device, any types of files into it, it will automatically do the synchronization and you're always on the go. We open it and off we go. So here we have a bigger files. We have very large amount of files inside of it. So that why it takes a bit long because of course movies are 1 gigabyte. We have tons of files. We've added music into it. So we want to really show you how quick and powerful is the Omni server today. All the chipset that we use here are very powerful. It's a minimized computer on your wrist. You have to see it like this. Because it's a server, it's made to serve you. So this server, what you usually use for the cloud, you don't need anymore the cloud. The cloud is from far away. Fortune 500 do whatever they want with your data. They sneak into your phone. They sneak into all your devices. And the actual today market is getting worse and worse into it. What does right now the Omni server? It explains you that you don't need any more of the cloud. You don't need to give your emails to other third-party apps. You don't need any more to give all your information and put all your files, your contacts, your text messages, your calendar into the cloud. The Omni server takes the lead. You have a portable device on your wrist where you have access to them anywhere in the world. You can have access on a submarine, on the moon, or on a bunker. You just need a device, have your Omni server with you, and you get access to all your devices. That's the power of Omni server. And it's so powerful that you can get a terabyte into it. You have a quad core, it has its own GPU, and we have high definition music into it. where you can stream it wherever you want, what you want, and with any types of devices you have. Plus all the rest that we will make you discover as the time goes. So now the synchronization is finished. Here we have everything up. So as you can see, we have all the files that have been synchronized directly into it. The Wi-Fi has taken the lead. We are having access from the laptop to the mini server automatically. So we have access to all our keys because we have all our crypto. We have all our keys. We have all our emails that we had before synchronizing on the phone that now you have access to it through your computer. You have all the list of contacts. We have all our calendars that are in it. So we have everything that's been abstracted from the phone that the laptop can be able to see it. And everything is streamed thanks to the powerful and how we've made the mini server do it. You have access to your text. And as we told to you, we have the music. Same aspect with the phone. If you get access with it and you go into it, we click into that. We have all our music right here. Just click to the album and they are here. All your music can be streamed if you want. We click into it. We want access to our keys of the crypto. We have them right on the phone in control. All the data are in Neo Mini Server. You just go and get it to see it and you have them here. This is extraordinary product. You can have access to all your files. So even if you modify a file directly into your laptop, it will automatically synchronize it with all your devices that you have here. You will have access to it. But this powerful tool can be able, with your phone, to have a synchronization with a backup into it. You can erase and have a total control on all your devices. But two, we can use an iPad. And if you want, you just need to connect it straight directly into it. And voila, you will have direct access to all your information. All is streamed. You have all your address, your contact, everything into it. You can have all your SMS text. You have all the list of contacts. You have all your emails that was before. Everything is centered into the server with the access of all your devices that are connected. Now I'm going to show you a powerful tool where you can do something really extraordinary. So here we have all the files that are here, and I want to be able to see, for example, a movie. So I just click into it and I'm going to go into videos. And let's say I would like to watch a movie. Or I click into it and I can share from my tablet the information. I can copy it, I can save it, I can do whatever I want with it. But here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch a movie. So at the same time that you are watching the movie that are here, we have been able to accomplish something great. At the same time we're watching a movie into a tablet, you will be able to watch another movie into another device. So let's pick up Ferris Bueller Day Off. We just click it into it and we should be able to have access to it, which I don't have. Here you have it. We have access to two movies at the same time. All this is streamed directly from the mini server to the two devices. This is how powerful it is. But two, if you want to watch it, maybe you don't want to watch a movie or you want to have access to your file, all the Excel file that we've been able to show here, we can directly have access to them by going straight directly into it, and we can have access. We want them to have Excel. Okay, good. We respect your privacy. Okay, we're good. Voila. Here we have all the information that we have. This was straight directly into that. We can modify. This will modify to it. You can get out and come back and you have access to it. So this is all the first functionality and everything that you can be able to send your information. All is right here into the Omni server, and you can basically have all your information to here. But the Omni server is not just that. When you have done every backup, have all your functionality, and that the Omni server has in control of your information, and now you own it, what is great about it is that the Omni server can send email, you can send text messages, you can create contacts. Now, what you usually do having a device that is connected to the cloud, you don't need anymore. The Omni server knows that you have a phone with a connection through cellular mode. All the rest of the devices are connected by Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So now we will show you a bit more how this works. So I'm going to start with the phone. And what I want to do is I want to create a contact. So here we are. We will go into our contact and let's go and write to Spike. We're going to write it. Spike Spiegel. And we really want to write to him. So and his company is called Headhunter. Okay, so here we have the exact email, the name, and exactly which company is there. We're gonna save it into here. So if you go on a search and you tap Spike, you'll be able to see that the information is locked down and we have it directly into the mini server. My goal, I want to write an email to him because we need to meet together. So here I write it to Spike Spiegel, the subject, hire. Software engineer. We want to, off we go, and then we will type our email. Hi Spike. I am looking for a software engineering with 10 years of experience. Let's get a meeting together. To detail a job description. Regards, And now we send it. Right now, as you can see, the Omni server is going to send an information straight directly from here to the Omni server and have access to our Gmail. Here we are. We've received the email from the Omni server. So what we have seen is we've typed the email, it went inside the Omni server resent the email, used the phone, and send it straight back to the email that we want. So my goal right now is to respond to this email. So Spike responds to me, how about tomorrow? Regards, because of course, we doing business with headhunters. It's always good. And now from my Gmail account, I'm going to send it to the Omni server. So now we are sending the information and we will wait that the information comes. So as you can see, we're still connected. We have all our text, the contact still there. If we take Spike. So now as we go, we can go into our email. We're just waiting to be, and off we go. Here it is, hire software. It just came in. Right here, we have the response. Hi Spike, I'm looking. How about tomorrow? Regards. Here you have the information that we have received it. But not only we can write emails, which is very important. We can too write text. Here you have the laptop that we have, but unfortunately in our laptop, we do not have text in it. But our software, our Omni server, will be able to send text because the Omni server knows exactly that today the phone has a connection. As you can see, we are here, has a connection to the text. So we're gonna actually send the text through our computer. So I'm gonna create a contact. And in here, what I want is I'm gonna write to Inigo Montoya. For those who knows, Inigo Montoya was in The Princess and the Bride. So we're gonna write to him because at our company we want to vengeance. And we're gonna insert his phone number. His company is Vengeance Inc. So as you can see, we enter the phone and we're gonna save it. Now it's safe. I will go into the text where all what you have seen here, we have it here. Okay, we have right here, if we go into the Omni server and we go into the text, all what we have here, we have it here. All our stuff all right here. So we're gonna go here, go back into it, and we're gonna write the text. I want Inigo, straight directly here, and I want my data back. They killed my privacy. Can you get it back? So here what you see is I'm going to send a text to a phone. Here's the phone where I'm going to send a text, and what I want is to receive a message text. So I'm going to send the text now. What you're going to be able to see is that the Omni server is going to take the text that is here. It's going to be sent into the Omni server. The Omni server is going to see that it's connected to my phone. And I'm going to send from here to this one, the text. So let's go for it. I send the text. So now the Omni server is fetching it, and I will wait right now on the phone to receive the text message. Here you see, Inigo Montoya, I want my data back, they kill my privacy, can you send it? So, got received the message onto the phone. Now what I'm going to do is answer back to Inigo Montoya, because we like him. We want vengeance. We want to give back our privacy, because what's the industry have done to us, it's out of what we can do. We need to stop what has been happening, and Inigo will help us. So we'll give a little response to Inigo. We will give a little response to Inigo, and Inigo a response to us. You will have your revenge I will bring my data. Sorry, I will bring it back. And now I'm sending to it. Here what you can see, if we go closer here, we have received into the phone the response to Inigo Montoya. So, through all of that, we have just right now send an email, send a text, and the Omni server is in control of everything. So now we're gonna see from the iPad and see how all that is connected. So, as you can see, to prove you that everything is connected between each other, you see we have the setting menus here. So we go into the setting menu in all our devices, and you're going to be able to see, and here you have the exact storage that we have here. This is the amount of storage. Here, if we go on settings, as you can see, everything is interconnected into it. And if we go into our iPad and we check it into it, we have all our information in it. This is the extraordinary, everything is centralized into the Omni server. But when you have those things, of course, we've written an email and a text for our laptop and our phone. We haven't done nothing into our iPad. So this is where I'm going to go. The email and the text I've been writing, I'm going to give a response back. So first, we're going to the email, and as you can see, Spike is just right here. We have exactly all the information to it. So I'm going to respond them to Spike, of course, because we need to have a response, and I will go, hey Spike, let's go for lunch. Regards. Done. We have just sent And then, as you can see, Inigo Montoya is there, and I will respond to Inigo Montoya straight directly to him. Come on, Inigo, go after those guys, get them all, please. We are fed up about the system. We are really fed up about how those Fortune 500 are playing with our privacy and robbing our data. So now we send it straight directly into it. We just write send all the information. So we have sent first an email and a text through the laptop and through the phone. We have now responded to our iPad. What are we going to do? This is the great thing about the Omni server. I'm taking the phone, and as you can see, the email response is there. As you can see, the text is there. Same aspect with our laptop. Everything, the whole response is right into it. Same aspect to it. We want the text in it. Same. We have all the information and everything into it. Why? As always, everything is centralized into Omni server. All your data are now stored into the Omni server. If you go into the Omni server that we went before to show you, and we have a better view onto it, you will be able to see that inside the emails, we have received high software, high spike. I'm looking for software. We have all the response that we have from spike. Of course, we go into the text, same aspect. We have all the information in it. And as I say, we still have right here all our contacts with all our calendars, everything that we've been going through, everything is here. Everything is centralized into the Omni server. Same aspect with here all our calendar, our schedule, what we do every day, what we are claiming to have, what is ours should be ours. Nobody should be able to see where we are, with who we are doing. It's our business. It's not the private Fortune 500 private company that needs to know with who we are. This is for us, only for us, and we are the only in control of our data, and our privacy is total. We give a humanity. Technology should be able to serve humanity and not giving all our private information that they know what we are talking about. And last, and not the least, if you go into the O, you will be able to see that if you click here, naturally speaking, all what we've been doing into each of our devices, everything is configured. We wanted a total control on the iPhone. We have it here. We want to be able to have a synchronization. We have it here. In the iPad, we are connected in the iPad just for one thing. It's to have access to your data. This is the real power of this computing device. This is what Omni server does. Music, if you need it, you can play it into the Omni server. Same. You have straight directly here the music. You can, if you want, to prove you that it's a real server. That's what's great about it. I can carry my music where I want and play it wherever I need it. I can play all my music when I want, where I want, and how I want it. You can stream, you can do whatever you want. It's yours. We give you a fully product for you to defend yourself in front of this industry and keep your data. We hope, really, at our company, we really hope that you like what we've shown you, because this is what we're doing. We are working to give you the power to own your data and be fully private. It's what it's all about. We would like to thank you for what we've been working for so much time. All what you have seen has been bootstrapped. We have 25 partners around us. The board and all our technology is manufactured and produced here in the United States, and it will stay, because we truly believe in our team, we believe in our company, we believe in all our partners, and what we have been doing to show you today what it's all about. We have not spent a dime in it, because the whole industry believes that we need to unleash the power for all of you to keep your data, to bring humanity, and that technology should always serve humanity. Thank you.